Vriksha Consulting Private Limited present. Challenges faced by Indian MSME. MSME sector an essential component of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
India, a country of boundless potential and resilience. In the post-COVID era, we stand at a critical juncture, striving to revive our economy, rebuild industries, and support our millions of entrepreneurs. India is making a quantum jump towards recovery, with a focus on economic growth, infrastructure development, and a technology-driven future. Our vibrant demographic, combined with the growing demand for made in India products, is the backbone of this transformation. And at the heart of this economic revival are India's MSMEs, an essential component of the Atmanirbhar Bharat vision. These enterprises are the engines of growth, driving innovation, job creation, and local manufacturing. For our economy to truly thrive, key indicators must align. Real GDP growth needs to continue rising, inflation must stay controlled, ideally, under 2% employment should be near full capacity, and a healthy current account surplus will drive prosperity. Let's look deeper. Agriculture contributes 18.4% to our GDP, but it employs 56.6% of our workforce. Manufacturing, though employing just 13.4%, holds immense potential for growth. Services, a dynamic sector, employs 32% of our workforce and drives much of the innovation. Agriculture, which employs the largest portion of our population, is the lifeblood of our economy. However, it faces significant challenges that need urgent attention. Dependence on agriculture alone is not enough for sustained growth in today's fast-evolving global market. Agriculture comes with its own set of challenges. Crops are perishable and require quick consumption, limiting market size and reach. High productivity can lead to price drops, leaving farmers with little to no profit. Inconsistent weather and market fluctuations make it harder for farmers to sustain a stable income. To unlock the full potential of the agricultural sector and ensure its profitability, we need government-led investments in critical areas, irrigation systems for better crop productivity, infrastructure for easy access to markets, crop insurance to protect farmers from risk, storage and distribution systems to reduce waste and boost profitability, access to profitable sales avenues for farmers. Moreover, MSMEs are uniquely positioned to play a vital role in transforming the agricultural supply chain, driving innovation in both production and distribution. By adopting new technologies, creating value-added products, and accessing global markets, MSMEs can become the backbone of a self-reliant, Atmanirbhar Bharat. The challenges are clear, but so are the opportunities. By strengthening agriculture, empowering MSMEs, and supporting infrastructure, India can build a resilient, self-sustaining economy. Together, we can pave the way for a prosperous future. Join hands with Vriksha Consulting Private Limited to unlock the true potential of your business. Together, we can turn challenges into opportunities and contribute to the growth of a self-reliant India.